Hello everyone, welcome to Joy Cooking Show. Today we have this ground meat. We're going to be making meatball. So these are the ground meat, and we also have garlic and ginger, and we're going to start the making of the meatball. So this is clean bowl, and right away we're just going to add this meatball to this clean bowl. Take it out. This is fresh. This is two meat here, pork and chicken. So right away we're just going to add this garlic and ginger to it, and we're also going to add salt. Going to be adding salt, and these are the salt. We're going to add a little bit of salt to it. That will be fine. And also we're going to be adding one whole eggs to it to bind it. You don't really need that, but if you want, you can also add that. And I can't do my meatball without turmeric. This is the ground turmeric. I'm just going to add 1 teaspoon to it. So this is it, and there we start the mixture. It's very easy. You can add every other spices that you have, but this is okay for me. Now just mix everything together. It's very easy to do. You can use spatula, but I like it mixing it with my hands. I like the feeling. So please, if you are new on my channel, you are very welcome, and please subscribe to this channel and also share this video. If you like what I do, you can also give me a thumbs up. So this is it. It's already mixed. What we'll do now, we'll let it rest for at least 2 minutes before we start to mold it to meatball shape. So right now we just have to start making it, bringing the shape out for meatball. Any shape you want, but when it's meatball, you can also do it like a ball. So this is it. I'm going to be using this clean. I keep this to put all the meatball. It's very easy. You can also use a shaper, but I just like to do everything with hand. So this is it. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller. You know, if you are doing this meatball, you can also add breadcrumbs to it. You can add milk, you can add a lot of stuff to it. But I like it this way because I just want to have the feeling of meatball. So this is the meatball. It's already shaped out. So right now we're just gonna start the cooking. So please subscribe to this channel, Joy Cooking Show, and also share for everyone to see. And if you like what I'm doing, give me a thumbs up. This is the hot pan. Right away, I'm just gonna drizzle some little bit of oil to this pan. So right now we're just gonna start putting all the meatball like this, like this. So this is the meatball. Right now we're just gonna let it cook. After cooking for 2-3 minutes from each side, that's when we start adding the sauce and everything. So thank you all, and please subscribe to this channel, Joy Cooking Show. So it's time to flip it to each other side so that the other part will start cooking also. It's very easy. Just be careful with this so you don't get You don't break up. Just easy. This is one of the meatballs you will enjoy. Succulent meatball. So this is it. Just let it cook for some time. So right now, the thing I will be adding to it is onions. This is diced onions. Just gonna drizzle these diced onions to it so that they both cook together. Cook together before I will start to add the sauce. This is it. It's caramelized now. The onions is very well caramelized. So these are all the meatballs. So what we'll do now is to start to add the tomato sauce. These are ground tomatoes. Just add it. These tomatoes already have the onions. It has pepper, which is, it has chili. So what we will do now is to so this is how we want it. The next thing to do now is to add the seasoning. This is seasoning. Just gonna add a quantity of steak, not too much. Seasoning, and I'm just gonna add oregano. This is oregano. Add a little bit, and a little bit of salt. Just 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm not gonna overpower it because we already mixed the meatball with salt. Now we add some broth to eat. So right now, I'm just gonna let it cook for 15 minutes. Then we're gonna serve this meatball with spaghetti. So right now, I'm just gonna cover it up so that it starts to cook. So this is the meatball. It's cooking so well. So right now, we're just gonna take it off from the fire. It's very well cooked, and we have to serve it with spaghetti. Watch out. This is the meatball, and it's already cooked. Right now, I'm gonna serve it with this spaghetti. So right now, I'm just gonna fill it up with this meatball, delicious meatball. This is called meatball and spaghetti. Right now, I'm just gonna add more sauce to it. Just gonna add more sauce. So this is it, and this is the meatball spaghetti. So this is the spaghetti, and it's already cooked with meatball sauce. So I hope you all gonna enjoy this, and please subscribe to my channel, Joy Cooking Show. This is it. Wow, this is so delicious with meatball. Please subscribe to this channel, Joy Cooking Show. Thank you all for now. Bye.